In this question, it is given that if m and n respectively are the number of positive and negative values of theta in the interval minus pi to pi that satisfy the equation this, then m into n is equal to. It is clear from the equation that if alpha is the root of this, then minus alpha will also be the root of this. Hence, it is sure that the number of positive root will be equal to the number of negative root. Hence, I just find the number of roots in the interval 0 to pi. Agreed, 0 is the root, but 0 is neither positive nor negative. Hence, I will just find the number of roots in the interval 0 to pi. If there are 10 roots in this interval, in the interval minus pi to 0, again there will be 10 roots, and hence you will get the answer of mn as 10 into 10 equal to 100. And therefore, I will find the number of roots in the interval 0 to pi. And it is also clear that we feel a bit inconvenient to deal with fractions. Therefore, if I suppose theta as 2 alpha, then theta belongs to 0 to pi will imply that 2 alpha belong to 0 to pi. This will mean that alpha belong to 0 to pi by 2. That is, once you have got the value of alpha, you will get the value of theta also. And now putting theta equal to 2 alpha, I get cos 4 alpha into cos alpha is equal to cos 6 alpha into cos 9 alpha. And now multiply both sides by 2, I get cos 5 alpha plus cos 3 alpha is equal to cos 15 alpha plus cos 3 alpha. That is, I get cos 15 alpha is equal to cos 5 alpha. That is, 15 alpha equal to 2n pi plus minus 5 alpha. That is 20 alpha equal to 2n pi or 10 alpha equal to 2n pi. That is alpha equal to n pi by 10 or alpha equal to n pi by 5. And now start putting the value of n, and keeping this in mind, find the number of values of alpha in this interval. And now take n equal to 1, that is pi by 10, 2, that is 2 pi by 10, 3 pi by 10, 4 pi by 10, and 5 pi by 10. And from here I'll get the value of alpha as pi by 5 and 2 pi by 5. But 3 pi by 5 will not be taken because it is more than pi by 2. And these two numbers have been already included in this. This is same as this and this is same as this. Hence, I can say in the interval 0 to pi by 2, there are 5 values of alpha. That is, there are 5 values of theta. And as I told you in the very beginning, number of positive root and number of negative root will be same. Therefore, I can say m is equal to 5 and n equal to 5. Hence, the value of mn will become 25.